He's stuck in, Marie.
So were there Māoris for the Robinson family?
Yeah.
I wonder because I only know about the Māori but from the Selby side. Because Selby's Yorkshire. But because I can't ever sort of say that I'm Māori because I don't know what yeah. Because I mean when I was up home I just assumed that was Pukari Toa, but I think we're actually kind of
Okay, well Robinson was Ngaizahu for sure. Waiwera.
Okay, I will have to get together. Because
No, that's not us though. That was.
yeah, I don't know. See,
Marco. Iwi or something.
Okay, because my uncle who's not alive anymore, he did a genealogy of the kind of big Stanbury. Who's missing?
Yes, you people can't go now.
You can